Hello again. Once again, folks, we are be studying the next section of, that was terrible English, by the way. We will be studying the next section of Africa, and I want to take you through the map this time. This is Western Africa, and this is the page that you will see. It'll be updated as I update this assignment. But the document is going to look exactly the same as it did last week with Northern Africa, except it says Western Africa. And remember I told you that the format's the same though. Numbers 1, 2, and 3 are all the same. So again, you have to label the Western African countries and capitals on the map, which I'll show you what those are. There's only 2 landforms this week, and one of them is a repeat from last week. That's the Sahara Desert and the Air Mountains. And then there's fewer bodies of water to label, so label those on the map. So that's all the same. And again, those 3 things are eligible for the quiz. So make sure you guys are studying this for the quiz. Number 4 is the same, although fewer cities. I've given you a city in the country, and you give the latitude and longitude. So again, that should be straightforward. Number 5, same thing. I've given you 6 countries, and you need to give me the descriptions, or the topic of each of these. So products, which is a repeat from last week. So you look at these countries' products. And then 2 new ones, population density and civilizations. You'll find that on the topographical map packet, which I'll show you in a minute. And then again, some of you are making these a little bit more difficult than they need to be. Oops. And that is just answer the question. It's not, or complete it. It's mostly a direction, or sometimes an actual description, but usually it's a direction or an amount of miles. So I'm going to take you through this real fast. Okay, so down here is the map, and I have oriented this hopefully to where you can see it easier. You don't have to turn it sideways. So there are 17 countries. Before we actually label this, let me go back and show you the master map, and let me take you through the 17 countries. One of them is not on this map, and I'll show you which one it is in a minute. Over here, and I'm going to start in the east and head west, we have the country of Chad, and its capital is N'Djamena. Okay. I was going to highlight it here, but I guess you can see it here, N'Djamena. Then we have the country of Niger, and its capital is Niamey. This is the country of Nigeria, so don't confuse those two. And its capital is Abuja. Its capital used to be Lagos down here, but they moved it several years ago into the center of the country for a lot of different reasons. So there's Niger and Nigeria. Moving west, let me kind of stay up to the north here. We have this country of Burkina Faso. It's a landlocked country, meaning there's no coast. And its capital is absolutely my favorite city name in the whole world. I'm going to come back. I want to see if you can figure out how to say this. So say it out loud to yourself a couple of times. All right, what do you think? I hear a lot of Ouagadougous and Ouagadougou. It's actually pronounced Ouagadougou. Ouagadougou. So if you live in Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso, that's a lot of syllables you're saying. I guess you'd be a Ouagadougian? I don't know. Next to Burkina Faso is the country of Mali, and its capital is Bamako, right here on the Niger River. And then to the north, west of Mali and west of Mali is the country of Mauritania, and its capital on the coast is Nouakchott. Heading south, we have the country of Senegal, and its capital is Dakar. And then I will highlight this, and this because it's kind of hard to see, but this country right here is the Gambia, and it's this little sliver of a country. It's a very small country, and it literally is just like right here. It's just on the Gambia River, and it's called Gambia. And its capital is Banjul, right on the coast. South of that is the country of Guinea-Bissau, and its capital is really easy, Bissau. Below that, and south of that, is the country of just Guinea, and its capital is Conakry. And then south of that is the country of Sierra Leone, capital is Freetown. And then to the southeast of Sierra Leone is the country of Liberia, its capital is Monrovia. And then along the northern coast of the Gulf of Guinea, we have this country called Côte d'Ivoire, which is sometimes referred to or said in English as the Ivory Coast. That's French. It's Côte d'Ivoire. And its capital is Yamoussoukro. Then we have the country of Ghana, and its capital is Accra. This thin country is called Togo, capital is Lomé. And then Benin, capital is Porto Novo. So that's 16. There's one country that is not shown on this map, and it's actually right. I can't do it. I can move this little bar. It's right. I was going to try to draw it. It's right over here. It's actually out that way, and it's called Cape Verde, sometimes called Cabo Verde, depending on the translation. But Cape Verde. It's a collection of islands. So one more time: Chad, Niger, Mali, Mauritania, and then again out here would be Cape Verde, Senegal, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso here, Ghana, Togo, Benin, and Nigeria. So there's 17 countries this week. It's obviously many more than what we had last week, but you can do this. So those are the 17 countries you will be learning. Now, if we go back to our assignment, you need to label those countries here. Now, I've had to draw in some of these because I'm using the old textbook as our guide, and the map packet that I had was not the same. So I Sharpied these in just like I did last week. So you can do, I think, what a lot of you did. Some of you did text boxes, and some of you wrote it in, but so this is Chad, right? So just write in Chad, and you can label the capital of N'Djamena there. This here is Niger, right? And this is Mali. So you can label it that way, but definitely label this and the capitals on the map. And again, there's only two physical features. There's the Sahara, there's the Sahara Desert, which really is all of this area up here. So the Sahara Desert, and I believe the Air Mountains, was that the other one? And then there are some bodies of water since we're more coastal, like Gulf of Guinea and Atlantic Ocean and so forth. So some of those are repeats as well. Okay? So that is the assignment for this week. The topographical maps packet is the exact same map packet that we had last week. So let me remind you that there's 8 things here. So we looked at, I believe, elevations and climates last week. And then, I guess, let me delete that. There we go. And then this week, I believe products is one of them. And then I believe there's civilizations, I believe is one. If the country does not have an old civilization, these are from a long time ago, just put a line through it. Because not every, like you can see down here, this does not have a civilization, what is Sierra Leone and Liberia. So you can just leave that blank. But you can see there's a lot of civilizations that overlap. And we're going to talk about that this week. Some of the most richest African history is right here in Ghana, in the Songhay, and in Mali. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. The richest man in history came from this area. Okay, so I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you.